Look how it's activated under the rear tire. It wraps around the tire of the fleeing vehicle and stops all forward motion. And get this, the device, which is being introduced by police departments everywhere, was invented by a roofer.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I saw you guys enjoyed the last two episodes that we did, and today we're gonna be watching one video, pretty short video, but still can't believe it happened. And also, the police officers been getting new equipments, but some of you guys haven't seen, especially when I demonstrate certain things on LSPF1. You guys like, the police don't do that. So we're gonna show you guys some of these new tech that the police have, and yeah, how they use them. That's gonna be after this, but this is gonna be a short episode. Yeah, let's get on with this. Let's get on with this. I got some time today, and we're gonna start with the first one. I usually cut off the music. Let's hear. I just want to make sure the volume is not too high, and we have the original video, which I will link under this video description, of course. And also, for any of you guys that want to send, you know, emails and stuff like videos to me, you can actually catch that on my, you can actually send it to me by my email, reallifesteve55@gmail.com. But right now, let's go. We got to rewind this back. And this is a car that actually got away from the police. I feel like that cop was chasing a ghost. And yeah, I think this is going to be fun. Let's go. Let's see. I just want to make sure we're good. Now, there's no sound in the beginning. So why is those sounds? Because most of the camera sound in the police car usually don't activate until they turn on their lights and stuff like that. So right now, as we can see, we are in traffic. And wait, I thought it was a BMW. This is like isn't it like a Benz in front of him right now? I don't know. Right now we'll watch. Oh, you see the SUV. It looked like the BMW SUV just passed them. Just passed them. Yeah. He's speeding, but not crazy speed though. You can see he's moving over to catch the BMW. The red BMW on the right. Okay. Now he's trying to pull over the BMW. Just like I said, the sound activate as soon. Okay, it is loud. Hold up, it is loud. So the sound don't activate until, you know, they turn on their lights. All right, so he just initiated the traffic stop, as you guys can see. Arkansas State Trooper siren.
Out of the road. Pull up into the parking lot on your left. On your left. On your left.
Bro, what are they doing? Bro, this is what I be telling you guys. Like, this is like GTA NPCs for real. Like, just listen real quick. All right, this is a two-way street.
Pull up to the left, put in park. Pull up to the left, put in park.
Pull up to the left. Oh, they're not listening to the yeah, GT NPC straight up.
Out of the street.
Yeah, this is a two-way. What are you doing? What are you doing? Pull in the parking lot. Either in the parking lot on the left, find another spot. Nah, I think they confused. That's the only thing I could think of. Oh, they thinking about how they gonna run. That's the only thing I could think of.
Put it in park. Put it in park.
I heard they got away. So, like, this cop was chasing a ghost. Bro, it's like, I know they're gonna run, but bro, the way they doing, oh, he want the cop to get out. He's trying to bait him real quick. He want the cop to get out, bro. You see how he keeps stopping? He want the cop to get out.
Turn the car off. Let the windows down, turn the car off.
I don't think he turned the car off.
Let all the windows down and turn the car off.
Bro, it's like, I'ma just turn down. I mean, I'ma just put down the front windows. I don't know about the back. Oh, this. I don't know. I'm like ready. I don't want to miss. This is a short one, guys. I don't want to miss anything. I think the officer is stepping out right now.
Check in now. I'm okay.
Was that backup? All right. I knew that was coming. He's coming. He's walking to the car, mask slow too. Now, okay, he just made that left. All right, we gotta chase. It's on now. It's on now. Oh wait. Where did he go, bro? You know the crazy part about chase like that? Wait, what about if he went to the right? If he went to the right, he's winning right now. If he went to the left, we still gotta chase. Nah, he went to the right, bro. He went to the. Yo, you chasing a ghost? Okay, now I understand what they meant by this episode, bro. Yo. No, you lost him already, bro. You lost. Unless they were so fast, they already hop on the highway.
Trying to pull him over back in his. Kept slow rolling, slept rolling. Then when I walked into the car,
He played you, bro. He straight up played him. You know, one thing about those is, like, of course, I don't condone to running or whatever you want to do. I mean, you're going to pay for the consequences, of course. Oh, we got a commercial. You're going to pay for the consequences. I'm only muting because I don't want the copyright sounds and stuff. But, bro, dude got away. Dude basically got away at this point. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is it, though. That was fast. Like, bro, that cop didn't even stand a chance, bro. The number one mistake was he did step out, but that was it. All right, we're moving on to the next video. We are moving on to the next video, bro. All right, so that was pretty short. Just like I said, this is gonna be a short episode, and can't believe it, man. All right, so the next thing that I'm moving on to is showing you guys, like, they are the officers are moving on to new technology. As time progresses, of course, we're getting fast cars, and these pursuits are getting so dangerous to the point where I feel like a lot of states gonna start implementing these things that they are using if they are successful enough. Because I mean, we've seen so many deadly accidents, just like the one I showed you guys last time. But yeah, let's go to this one. I want to make sure that I'm full screen. All right, let's make sure that we are full screen. And yeah,
A high-speed pursuit filled with drama.
Man, this thing is be so loud.
The yellow sports car up ahead won't stop. Then
Damn
something
it.
happens you might expect in a Spider-Man movie.
In
A
the
high-tech
Spider-Man movie
device
is
is
crazy.
being deployed to bring the high-speed chase to a screeching halt. It's like a netting from a giant spider web. Look how it's activated under the rear tire. It wraps around the tire of the fleeing vehicle and stops all forward motion. And get this, the device, which is being introduced by police departments everywhere, was invented by a roofer with zero law enforcement experience. Leonard Stock had the idea after watching a deadly high-speed chase live on TV.
As I was watching it, I was just cringing when I would see that happen. I hope that lives are being saved. That's the only reason I'm doing this.
Here's a good look at how it works. As the net is unfurled, police get as close as they can to the fleeing suspects. Whoosh, there it goes. The chase is brought to an end.
You seen, I've done that multiple. Now, script doesn't work on LSPFR anymore, but this is something that I used to use a lot. And I kind of felt like they're going to start using those things, especially with these high-speed chases.
Without anyone getting
people
injured.
are running.
Some people
are
do
running
think that
so
it
much
shoots
more now,
out of
man.
the police vehicle, but it actually stays attached to the grappler unit and is directed into the tire.
In the most recent case in Florida, two 17-year-old suspected carjackers are learning You can't evade the grappler.
My boy was 17 too, but yeah. So that was one thing so far. That's one. I'm pretty sure they have so much more. And the second thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick. But that chase, that BMW got away, bro. That BMW. I'm still thinking about that BMW. He was like, but you know what? It's all about luck when it comes to these things too, man. And my boy in the BMW today was his lucky day. And I mean, not today, whenever that chase happened, that was his lucky day. And he got away, man. He definitely got away. Because not everybody get lucky like that. And he probably had his finger crossed. He turned right, the officer turned left. That's the only thing I'm assuming. Because I don't think that BMW was that fast enough to make that left. Or unless he make that left and jump on the highway right away. You never know, man. You never know. He's the only one that can tell that story. He or she, the only one that can actually tell that story. Because you could tell they were not ready to even, like, I don't know. The fact that they turned against traffic and then they just kept rolling, they was trying to bait the officer the whole time. But yeah, the next technology, guys, which is going to be the last one because I do have to get out of here. The next technology, which it's been a while for a good minute, but I see some places start using it.
It allows the officers to have another option. You know, these chases, they go down really fast.
When it comes to catching criminals or stolen
And as crazy as it sounds, remember they did this to me on DVLP. That is, if you are on my gaming channel, they did this to me on DVLP, and I was wondering why they were able to keep up with me. But watch.
White Settlement's police chief Chris Cook knows sometimes officers are left with no choice but to chase, which in some cases can be deadly.
In my mind, that is the perfect example to display this technology in action. You know, dart the car, back off.
That's why the department has implemented a new tool, Star Chase.
And wait, didn't we see that in Fast and the Furious? Oh yes, we did. But that technology that they were showing you in Fast and the Furious kind of like disabled the car computers and stuff like that. Which I'm pretty sure they'll do that pretty soon. So I don't know if they have that officially, but we thought it was just in the movie.
They showed me how it works.
This is a control panel for the Star Chase. It's really easy to use and simple.
Inside the car is where it's controlled. On the outside is a vehicle-mounted GPS launcher. A green laser shows the officer where to launch a GPS magnet during a chase, all by the press of a button. Once launched, it sticks to the back of the vehicle.
Wait. The funny thing is, what about if an officer missed, bro? And then you can't just leave the technology and stop the chase. But you know what? It does have GPS on it, of course. But I'm just wondering if an officer missed, bro. Like, bro, I will be pissed. Like, you thought you had it.
And it's
But I'm
incredibly
pretty sure it
hard
got
to
to be like a
remove.
good
The officer
distance.
can then back off and hopefully end the chase, while dispatchers track the location of the vehicle from the department.
They know the direction of travel, speed. They know when the car comes to a stop. They will return to normal speeds. They'll quit running red lights, stop signs, because they think they've gotten away. And that's perfect because that enhances the safety for all of our community. You know, my family's on the road, your family's on the road, and so that's really the goal here.
Cook says since last Thursday's Irving police chase that ended in a fiery crash in Dallas, 4 local departments have asked him about the device.
I think that certainly we've got agencies. We even had an agency in Florida call me and say, hey, what's your experience like?
His hope is that it will save more lives and be in every department soon. In Fort Worth, Nicole Nielsen, CBS News.
All right, yeah. So that's the two things. Actually, one of you guys send the videos. I'm gonna start giving shout outs to everyone that have sent me the videos and stuff like that. But guys, that's all the time that I have. And just like I said, this is gonna be a short episode. But as crazy as it sounds, that I feel like that BMW was working on luck, and they probably, I don't know if they know the area like that, but I don't know. I feel like they got lucky. You guys let me know what y'all think. I think they got lucky, or it was just a skilled driver. And I'm talking about like he stepped on it and hope for the best. Because as soon as he turned that corner, bro, it was only a couple of seconds, maybe 5 to 6 seconds. And poof, they were gone. But anyway, guys, spam that like button. That is if you did enjoy this. And also send me the videos, reallifec55@gmail.com. And yeah, let's watch some more videos, man. That was actually good. And I wanted to share those technology with you guys. And yeah, hopefully we won't have like crazy chases like that. Or at least there's certain places that have the no chase policy and things like that. But yeah, man, let me know. Lucky day for a BMW. I mean, it was a red BMW though. You know how hard it is to get away. But yeah, we're out of here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Peace.